There's a lot of talk in the tech world regarding the possible launch of the iPad Pro M3 in March 2024. Insiders are indicating that mass production might kick off in the first half of the year. Excitement is growing for the updated design, even though the exact aesthetic changes remain undisclosed. Today, let's discuss what we currently know about the upcoming iPad Pro M3. The M1 and M2 chips have become the vital core of Apple devices, making their way into iPads, Mac Minis, MacBook Airs, and the MacBook Pro. The journey continued with the announcement at WWDC 2023 that Vision Pro would also be part of the M2 club. However, the iPad Air was still waiting for its M2 upgrade, rumored to debut in 2024. Fast forward to the present, and the iPad Pro M2 has firmly established itself as a powerhouse, a versatile alternative to the MacBook Air. Its ability to transform into a laptop with the Magic Keyboard or serve as a creative haven with the Magic Pencil has strengthened its position in the tech arena. Now let's explore the exciting possibilities of the iPad Pro M3. The most exciting revelation is the promise of a fresh design, moving away from the 2018 model. Speculations suggest a glass back and the inclusion of MagSafe features, adding an extra layer of intrigue. Regarding screen upgrades, the iPad Pro M3 is expected to see a subtle size increase, with the 11-inch version going up to 11.1 inches and the 12.9-inch variant inching up to 13 inches. While not revolutionary, these size adjustments suggest the imminent arrival of a revamped design. One of the standout features is the introduction of OLED displays, marking a first for iPad Pro models. This upgrade, similar to those seen in Apple Watches and iPhones, promises a richer display, improved battery life, and an overall enhanced user experience. At the core of the iPad Pro M3's prowess lies the new M3 chipset, previously seen in the 14-inch MacBook Pro and the refreshed iMac. Celebrated for its power and efficiency, it is set to debut in the iPad Pro without the need for a cooling fan, suggesting a redesign to accommodate innovative cooling mechanisms. Now, it's important to be careful when considering these leaked details. Though some leaks in the past turned out to be true, the world of rumors keeps changing. We need to be a bit doubtful until Apple officially shows us the iPad Pro M3. The details we have now are just guesses. About when it will come out, Mark Gurman thinks it will be in 2024, around March or April. Since there haven't been updates for iPad since November 2022, this guess makes sense. After the Vision Pro gets its time to shine, everyone will be excited about the iPad Pro M3. Let's talk about what we might get with the iPad Pro M3. The 11.1-inch model might have a new design, an old Retina display, and different storage sizes from 256GB to 2TB. The M3 chip, 5G internet, and maybe 8GB to 24GB of memory make it sound interesting. It has a metal frame, 2 cameras on the back, and one in the middle for selfies with a wide view. It seems like it can be used for lots of things. The price could start at $14.99 for the smallest storage and go up to $17.99 for the biggest. The bigger iPad Pro M3, the 13-inch one, is quite similar to the smaller one. The OLED display, M3 chipset, 5G connectivity, and potential RAM configurations create a robust package. With a 10,000 mAh battery, an aluminum frame, and a dual camera setup, it's a powerhouse starting at $1,099 for the 256GB model. The price escalates to $2,099 for the 2TB variant. The iPad Pro M3 could bring lots of cool changes, like a new look, better displays, special technology, and a powerful chip. Even though the rumors are fun, we won't know for sure until Apple tells us. Until then, people who love tech can only guess about what's coming next for the iPad Pro series.